put that on, we need to take the bonnet off from the grill. So I'll take them off now. They're not really bolted on, it's just this grill. And you just pull it off. So take them off now. Just gotta pull the what do you call it again? Grill. Pull the grill out. It's not even attached, it's just wedged in. So. That's the grill out. Stop it there. Okay, now just take these 2 bits off. Just slot it on. Just lay that there. Now it's the bonnet. This will be fun. Now all that's done, got the fuel tank, radiator. The radiator's still not properly put on. It's got this bit. It's bolted on, but it needs to be stud welded. Well, the studs need to be welded in, otherwise you can't tighten it up properly. And this hose needs to be put on. So yeah, that'll be a job for another video. Today. So as you can see, the fuel pipe will go into this tap, then it'll run down and along to the back here into this one, then it comes out this. I've taken that filler off because we needed something to measure off, well, the nozzle off, because we needed something to measure off when we got the pipe, and the pipe will go from there to here. But this is full of crap, and that's full of crap. Even though it's a new filter, we need to clean the nozzles out. Yeah, the tap's clean, it's a new tank, so yeah, just got to clean them out next. Okay, so that's the fuel pipe we got, and that's the clean nozzle. Fits nicely in there, nice and tight. We got them caps, sockets it. I'll be getting the other one off now. Bish bash bosh. That's on. Right, let's have a look at this. Right. Fuel goes down there, into that pipe, down that pipe, through the back, into here, through there, into there, into the injectors. Boom! And back up the return flow, and that's on. Have a let go. Boom! That's total. Okay guys, that's going to be it for this video. Sorry it's a short one, but I had to go out and do the mole traps because I've got a bit of a mole problem. So my granddad's done the fuel pipe for me. All that's left to do now is the radiator. We've got the hose for it. The studs on the bottom need welding in so we can tighten them from the bottom of the bracket. And then we need a regulator because we've got the actual regulator, but we haven't got the metal rod which connects the regulator to the bit it's supposed to be connected to. So we've got that, it's being made at the minute, so we'll install that and have the radiator done by next weekend, so I'll bring you along with us. Thanks for watching guys, stay tuned for more, see you next time.
Stop it now! Because me and you're making me laugh now.
You're messing me out.
What? Even a lolly?
What are you doing? Why lying for? Right lying there. Right lying. Oh yeah, I'm doing this. done it, my friend.